In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger call problem. So for that, what you can do is, first of all, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if there is no update available, then what you can do is go to Messenger icon. From here, click and hold on to Messenger, then scroll till the end. There you will find more features. Click on it. Then click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Make sure you click on Clear Cache written in bright red. Once you've done that, you can try relaunching Messenger, and if it's still not working, then what you can do is go to the Messenger icon, click and hold on to it, scroll till the end, then click on Uninstall, then confirm it. After that, reinstall it again from Play Store, and then your problem should be fixed. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.